Uyabona la emhlabeni kunohlobo olubili labantu besilisa. Kunejongo, kunensizwa. Uyabona le insizwa le. Ngikhuluma ngo-Action Ndlovu. Hayi inkalakatha. Hayi ubastard. Le nsizwa izosuka eJozi iwalk iye eThekwini. Isuke eJozi iwalk iye eSwaziland. Isuke eCape Town iwalk iye Egypt. Yazi iwalkelani? Iwalkela i-depression ne-anxiety. Bambalwa abantu abenza lezi zinto bafethu. Ngicela simsupport, ngicela simseke kulabo abashaya impolompolo. Manimbona nimshayela impolompolo nimupha amanzi bafethu. Khona ke abahlezi benokudla emotweni ungazokwani kodwa kuzobaluleka ke kulokho. Ngicela nimgaye bafethu. Yabona nje nimsupport mani nama sneakers nimnike umfowethu uhambela i-cause enhle. He's working against i-depression ne-anxiety. Danke Action.
Sanibonani bathandekayo, igama akhona wakandlovu uGatsheni beyabenyathi bafethu ngicela sisupporteni u-Action kule nyathuko azoyigibela esuka la ehamba eThekwini ngomhla ka-22 August. Maduzane nje kungekudala ke uyophinda futhi asuke ngomhla ka-25 September ahambe aye eSwaziland. Kodwa le azoyiqala manje kusuka la eJozi ahamba eThekwini uzosukela kuphi eDepartment of Arts and Culture lendele kaDepartment of Arts and Culture. Bafowethu ngicela nenze njalo. Nangomhla ka-10 2026 January uzobeshaya across the globe esuka la eSouth Africa ehambe eEgypt. Bafethu ngicela uphonsela please vivanyeni lapho ungakwazi ukuthi uphonse khona. Akuwona umdlalo lento. Konke kuzokhokha ekugcineni. Uyazi ukwenzeka.
Hi guys, this is Penny. I'm with Action Ndlovu nabafowethu. So these guys are going to be walking from Johannesburg to Durban.
Durban nge-22 August kuzobe kule sonto leli 3 days from now.
Hi, well this weekend.
Yeah, kule viki sasuka seThekwini and then ngomhla ka-25 September we're walking from Johannesburg to Swaziland and then nge-10 January 2026 we're walking from Cape Town to Egypt, from Cape to Cairo.
Imali ama-sponsors akhona?
Okwamanje there are no sponsors. Sengiwalke 3 times. Oqala ngokhe ngasuka ngaye eThekwini, okwesibili ngaye eCape Town, okwesithathu ngabuyela eThekwini. Ama-sponsor abikhona but since this time around ama-sponsor abikhona.
Imali, but what's the purpose of e-walk?
We are working against depression and anxiety. The name of the walk is Action Walk Against Depression and Anxiety. It's a mental health campaign.
Alright.
Sanibonani. Kama lami umthobisi sibongo wakhanyile. Le video le ngizela ukusupporta, ukugqugquzela nanokweseka u-Action wakandlovu. Esimaziyo sonke ukuthi uzobe walker from Johannesburg to Durban. Kahle kahle uwumapho. Ngizela uhambo lwakhe kahle kahle la ngonyaka ozayo uzobe lusuka eCape Town luya le eGibhithe ehamba ngezinyawo. Lena kuyona nje i-walk but i-walk engasho ukuthi i-campaign futhi iphinde izama ukuthi ilusane ne-depression ne-anxiety abantu abaningabhekene nayo. So Action uthatha i-challenge engicathi ibaluleke kakhulu kona wonke umuntu. Asimeseke if ever uhlangana naye endleleni lokho ungamsupporta ngako vumelekile, ngaba manzi, ukudla noma ngabe imali futhi. Sabonga kakhulu. Danko.
Sanibona bafowethu, igama uAndile Mtambo la ngiphethe u-Action Maluleka, insizwa nesibindi, isibindi esinosawoti ngaphezulu. Umfowethu lo go through lento lekuthiwa yini depression ne-anxiety, so he decided ukuthi aqale ashaye i-campaign ye-walk against i-depression and anxiety. So uney'nsuku ney'nhlelo la azobe hamba khona kulo nyaka lo. Uyaqala this weekend but uyena ozosho ukuthi uzosuka phayiphi asuke phayiphi asuka phayiphi. I'm sure you won't believe it. Mfowethu
Mntana kule weekend mfethu ngeThekwini. Njengoba kusasa kumhla ka-22 ngiyasuka ngeThekwini. Mase kuthi ngomhla ka-25 September ngeSwaziland. Mase kuthi ngoNovember ngeTzaneen eLimpopo. Mase kuthi ngomhla ka-10 January 2026 I'm walking from Cape Town to Egypt. That will be the longest so far. Aseza namanye sona-update. Siyacela bafethi support. Ngaba amateku, ngaba ama-sleeping bag, ngaba i-wallet or cash send, ama-banking details. I think so I share kusukela namhlanje but you can inbox me ku 0825725482 support.
Imali. So abantu abaningi abayikholwa lento leyo ukuthi uzobe uwalker zonke le ndawo lezo soyibalile. Abanye bayasho ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo uyagula. So abantu abazobe bekubukela bekulandela bazobe bethola kanjani beprove kanjani ukuthi actually uyayenza ngempela lento le.
Sobe shama live. So ngizobe ngihamba nefoni ngihambe shoot ama live but if ever awunayo show and une data yenza video call. Showcase la uzongifonela khona ngizobe ngisendleleni emgaqweni.
So kwawalker
Yeah,
before.
proof sengingawalker before sengiyeThekwini 2 times. The first time yeThekwini ngile 10 days and then ngile Cape Town ngithathe 18 days.
So this time uzobe uhamba nabantu abangaze bawalker.
No. Bethi khathelile leyo team inqabile.
Isabile.
Team inqabile so kuzoba responsibility eningi.
Yeah.
If begula and abanye ba under age and everything so I'm still working alone.
Perfect.
Ngihamba ngedwa.
Good luck njalo.
Kahle
So
kahle,
besikulandela. So besikulandela. Bafowethu ngicela bafethu support nabaningi abane following ba post kuma social media abantu babone abantu bamsupport. I know ukuthi abantu bazomsupport. So bafethu ngicela senze njalo South Africa. Walk against depression and anxiety. Let's go.
Sanibona bafethu. Yeah, sesibala insuku. Hayi ama-hour. Sesibala ama-hour bafethu in few hours from now. Yasuka bafethu siyakhala. Yasuka bafethu in few hours. Akukabi na donation.
Sinayo mfethu. Sinayo. Besa leyo lekoda. Abantu bakathi.
Okay.
Naye
Nice. Yeah, naye donation yokuqala mfethu yabo. Isikho le donation yabo.
Yeah. Ngicela si-again phezu kwayo bafethu. Yeah, siyanicela bafethu siyanicela.
Siyacelela bafethu. Yeah, kusela ama-hour ambalwa manje bafethu. Possibly 12 midnight ngiyanyathela. Kuzodepend. Samele nje into ezifew.
Sure.
Or 12 midnight tomorrow. You understand? Ngafuna nje ukuchecka nje into ezifew. Futhi ngenzeka futhi siphume ngo-12 phakathi nobusuku wanamhlanje kuzosa kube uLwesihlanu noma siphume ngo-12 midnight wangoLwesihlanu kuzosa kube Saturday.
Kube yisabatha. Bafethu lapho manje nimbona bafethu ngesabatha elingcwele lapha egudla lapha ezintabeni zako N3 bafethu imsupport bafethu mfowethu uma unamanzi lapha etracking yakho umuphe mfethu amanzi uma unokushukeyana mfowethu nje akwazi ukuthi abuyise energy kuthiwa ngithi ushukela uyayibuyisa energy noma usweet yabo into kanjalo ukuthi yabuya lamandla akwazi ukuthi aqhubeke bafethu nenze njalo nalazi udaba
How this is.
ayikhala.
Sabonga bafethu. Azikhaleni bafethu. Then yeah, ama-cash stand avulelekile bafethu. Ama-e-wallet avulelekile. Ama-banking details for now so sebenzisa my personal banking details. And then I think mase seSwaziland sobe sesendele a-formal account e-foundation. Understand because ama-companies la amakhulu ashayela into ukuthi akakwazi ukufaka isandla kwi-personal account. So we're still working on that because now futhi business account ifuna imali. So adingeka lama-donation. Sabonga bafethu.
Nenze njalo bafethu.
Cheers.
Danko, one love.
Salute.
Good morning, sanibonani awusheni umthetho nginje Okay guys, I'm with Action here. That guy who's walking, this guy is walking from Joburg to Durban tomorrow. They are fasting first. 1 o'clock in Chelsea Bogoin. Yeah. And when he comes back from there, he's going to Swatini. And then next year, 2026, 26 January. 10 January. He's walking from Cape Town to Egypt. Kamawoto. He's walking, guys. Yeah, uyena ku action lo. Phela masokuba mnyama. Ngizangokuthi siyacela guys, with everything nimfonela endleleni nimcheck ukuthi right ini inamba yakhe ngizoyidropha la under ama comments wami ku comment section. Yeah, ngizoyishaya lapho.
Sanibona igama umboneleli wakamdleleni Sibongo. Odlala i-character ka-Castro on Smoke and Mirrors from Uzalo. He was well known as Uphila Ngiti. Njengamanje sise Department of Health in Gauteng. Ngihamba nobhuti u-Action kamaluleka kaNdlovu. Bafowethu sicela nje usizo lwenu guys. Could it be anything? Could it be anything? This walk has been finalized by the Department of Health. We just need your support. I'm not going to say anything much, but God bless you as you are about to support us. Thank you.
Bayisiphelile manje. Sekuzophela ukushishiliza. Ola bafethu igama lami uAndile wakasithole aka number 5 eMzansi nangaphandle. Right ke bafethu njengoba nazi ke bafethu ukuthi ke siseJozi la sikhona njengamanje siya prepare for the 22nd day of August 2025. Obatshele mfethu ukuthi uzobe kuhamba.
Mfethu August yona lenyanga esikuyona mfethu. Ngiqhamuka ngeenyawo nje eThekwini bafethu. Okwesithathu ngiqhamuka ngeenyawo nje eThekwini iwomaphu kahle kahle iwomaphu yase Egypt. Okujanuary bafethu njengoba nazi ukuthi umhla ka10 January 2026 yanqamula nje Egypt bafethu.
Abangaka mfethu usuka eJohannesburg uye eThekwini ngeenyawo. Ngoba nje upush icampaign. Bafethu lana sisupport le initiative. Ayike into esifanele siyenze. Simsupport lo mfethu siphinde futhi sihambe naye ngeenyawo. Ngoba nami ngokuzayo nongithola khona zobe ngilapha.
Social service.
Jako. Social service. No, actually bafethu nge31 sobe shaya 7 naye mfethu uzobe kade ehamba esendleleni uzolendela esithebeni then bese hambe yophumula. Makube njalo ke from Durban to from Johannesburg to Durban. Johannesburg to Durban. This is where we are in Johannesburg right now on the 22nd of August. Umfethu uyahamba uya eThekwini. La izofika shaya khona isithebe. Makube njalo igama lami Andile Lesithole aka number 5 eMzansi nangaphandle ngithi yasho leyo yako.
Sanibona igama Ntokozo akazibiwe umazi ngosipho ukuzala uGifted uBastet usomatekiso nemali makugeza ngokuthanda ukugeza. Lelana ngenza kwethu omunye wesilana kuthiwa Action Ndlovu uzobe eqhubha futhi iprogram yakhe kuthiwa iWalking Against Depression. Okusho ukuthini lokho okusho ukuthi hawu namhlanje umhla ka22 namhlanje 22 August namhlanje uzoqala awokhe asuke eJohannesburg aze eDurban ngezinyawo. Ubengayi appreciate kakhulu mfethu isupport yenu umntaka baba mangabe kukhona mhlambe eningalekelela ngakho yabo nombano oseduze kwakhe mfethu ongakwazi ukureach out to yena ameseke mfethu ngayo yonke indlela kungaba amazi ukugqugquzela ngaba ukuthi makhona okuthize onakho futhi uphosa isandla sivaneni yabo leyo nto leyo. But I think besingayi appreciate kakhulu isupport yenu yabo because uzokuhamba ngenyawo from Durban from Johannesburg to Durban ngezinyawo. Nangomhla ka10 futhi January 2026 uzobe suka eCape Town lapha eSouth Africa ile eEgypt ngenyawo. Yabo le nto leyo. So yaba mfethu besicela nje uma ngabe kukhona mhlawumbe ningakwazi ukulekelela ngakho usiza ngakho konke kwamukelekile konke futhi kuyabongwa akukho okuncane akukho okuncane kakhulu bonga uncane kubonga okukhulu otherwise ishowcase hamba nephelo case dango.
We-Action mfowethu umhlaba wonke jikelele ngani yakwethu ngikufisela konke okuhle mfowethu ngewalk yakho against depression. Uhambe safe ngani yakwethu uphephe la uhamba khona uthola amanzi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ujimile kodwa ke kuko konke ngani yakwethu ngikufisela konke okuhle uhambe safe ufike kahle hopefully message yakhe izozokala umhlaba wonke jikelele.
Sanibonani bafethu. Usifundo Dladla lo. Abanye bangazi ngomlamuli lapha ku Smoke and Mirrors. So bafethu u-Action Ndlovu we are walk bafethu from eJohannesburg to Durban. Akusho ukuthi uzobe hamba ngenyawo from eJohannesburg eDurban. He's walking against depression. So bafethu ngicela ukuthi sifakeni isandla umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi ebe nalokho okuncane akufakayo bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi kuyokwazi ukumsiza ukuthi ethenga amanzi endleleni siphinde simsupport nabasuka eDurban beye eGoli behambe bemqalaza endleleni abasuke eGoli beDurban ngicela ukuthi sihambe simqalaza senze sure ukuthi usafe umfowethu bafowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu njayami usuku namhlanje ngiyazi ukuthi wawushila ukuthi 22 it's just a warm up ngoJanuary we are walker from South Africa to Europe so all the best njayami salute
I want to pledge my support for my brother Action Bangene Bram. So he'll be walking from Johannesburg at 5:30 from the 22nd of August all the way to Durban. Apinda suge Tegwini, Alpegise Cape Town, Asuge Cape Town, Alpegise Le Cairo in Egypt. I wish you well, my brother. I know that you'll do well. It's not going to be an easy one. So it's a walk against depression. So he's making awareness about depression because depression kills, yo. So let's support him, please. When you see him on the road, give him some water, give him love, give him a hug, give him strength, give him whatever you can. You know, send e-wallet if possible. Danko Siabok.
Ekuseba fethu shafiri kanjani ikamuntshe bengicomedian ngishaya ama jokes bafethu ekuseba fethu ngiyangizwa namhlanje ngikhuluma ngebase kunento ebalekile eyenzekayo bafethu Action Maluleka umfowethu is walking from Johannesburg to Durban bafethu it's a fight against depression anxiety ngicela nje nimeseke bafethu nane estradeni mangabe uzohlangana naye ku entry umbona lapha encenga umfowethu wazi ukuthi that is fighting depression kanye ne anxiety bafethu Action Maluleka sinawe mfowethu bathini walk with Action lale
Awe bafethu tikatla hama botenwa my brother Action is doing a campaign ya walk against depression tatsing lena waqala walk from Joburg to Durban, from Durban to Cape Town, and then from Cape Town to Egypt. So kopa mo support him bafethu. If you see him botileng kopa mo femeti ola ka mzama ka bodijonyana and something I don't know about, but yeah, let's support our black brother. Thank you, please.
Hey, Action. Ngiyabona mfowethu ngiqalile indlela walkers we Johannesburg eThekwini fighting against depression. Hayi ngiyajoina soon. Ndlela nhle mfowethu uphephe lapho.
Hi, fellow South Africans. This is Jake Moshani, aka Mbaola from Isita the Enemy. This is just a reminder of our own Action Thabani Maluleka. Ka di 22 tsa August. Katwa go Johannesburg. Our killer to Durban. So, Khatela bafethu, he's working against depression. So, alimona da mo tsileng, kopa fela just park your car. Ushapeka donation da, at least athola something to eat, water and some rubbing stuff. Your support will be highly appreciated, bafethu. And then on the 10th of January 2026, our own Action Maluleka Otaba from Cape Town to Egypt. Mfowethu, we are behind you. We love you. Salute. You are one of the best actors that I respect in theater and television. Salute Ndoda Mfowethu. Qina away.
Krotmane Action Ndlovu Maluleka mfowethu. Avaya pila uthiaka. Yo. Got an inspiration. Working from Johannesburg to Durban against depression. Most of us are depressed, mchana, and we are not aware. It takes a courageous man to do what you have just done or that what you are doing now. Sithi aluta mfowethu. Aluta.
Don't stop, brother. Keep on walking. Keep on walking. Don't give up. Don't give up. Action!
My name is Umzamo Gamajoli Zimozomuntu. I'm here to talk about a writer, director, actor who's been on your screens. Igama is Action Thabani Maluleka. A guy who has taken an initiative yokuthi at a fight against depression. Guys, it's daikali, but you know, this has been a heavy load on our shoulders because on the real factor is that even many of our artists have been like taking suicide as a way out of everything else, and for him to take such an initiative, this is a friend of mine, a guy who has taken a journey, a walk from Joburg, Gauteng down to Durban, and I think it's taken him 4-5 days. I'm not really sure yet, guys, Yazi, but what I've heard namhlanje is that he is now reaching Durban, and even though he's reached Durban, my idea is that we know Guti, there's still more walks to endeavor, so please, we would like your support, guys, on this one. Siyacela, please, the number is on the screen, how to support, and you could DM if you don't find any response. Thank you.
Seni ekuseni wakithi mina ngiyabingelela ngithi lalela sinawe emkhulekweni njalo sisedolweni sicela uyilwe lempi wathi uNkulunkulu angakubusisa wathi uNkulunkulu angakukhanyisela uthola ama sponsors mntasekhaya bambe njalo ngiyaluza udaba ngathi soyasondela eThekwini ngathi soyasondela eThekwini ncena njalo mntaka babuke wayenza lento nasekuqaleni namanje uJehova ukuthwele namanje idala zakini zikuthwele ibamba ungabusayidedela ibambe njalo thando inhlonipho ngaso sonke isikhathi ongunika yona. Salute buti, salute nalabantu ohamba nabo ngale kwaloko asilutho thina kunabantu abakwazi ukusilwela. One love, take care.
Hello
guys, Andile here. Yandela, please support the action. We are working on Mundo fighting against
depression and anxiety. Sizofaka u2. Yes, sharp
Good day everyone, Sanbonani Kamanguzamana Mgadi. Most of you know me like that from Khosi FM. I am here to interview our very own superhero Ubutwetu, who does amazing things. Mbogu Walker. He works against depression and anxiety, mental health issues. If I'm not mistaken, we saw okay from Joburg to Durban, Walker from Joburg to Cape Town, and you're planning to walk to Cape to Cairo, from Cape Town to Cairo, and you're planning to walk to Swaziland, from Durban to Swaziland, Durban to Tanin, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Can you kindly introduce yourself, because I'm accolades.